Hello everyone, welcome to Jawad Sumro Productions. In this tutorial, you will learn about Note tool in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. What is the Note tool? The Note tool is a great way to add comments and annotations to your InDesign documents. It can be used to leave yourself reminders, collaborate with others, or provide feedback to clients. As you can see these double triangles on the screen. First one is placed on the heading of this document, and other one is present on this paragraph. This is basically a note. When I open the Note tool and click on this heading, the note displays the message to me that I need to work on the heading. Maybe I need to make the title more interesting or attractive enough, or maybe something else. Now, when I click on this note present in the paragraph, it displays a reminder I wrote about changing the incorrect figures. Now, if I had not placed these notes on these specific locations, I might have forgotten and never worked on fixing these issues in the document. This is why we should use Note tool. How to use the Note tool? To open the Note tool, go to the Tools panel and select the Notes tool icon. It looks like a speech bubble. Go to Type, Notes and Notes Mod. Shortcut key is Ctrl F8. Now, click anywhere in your document to create a new note. Now, type your note in the text box that appears. Let's say you sans serif fonts for quotes and lines under inverted commas. So, later if I forget to do this task, the note will stick here to keep reminding me about the issue. To close the note, click outside of the text box. That's it. Now, to open the note, just click on the note sign. Here you go. Note panel. When you click on the top right corner button on this panel, the one that looks like hamburger, you will get these options to control your notes. To add a new note, make sure your Note tool is selected. And then click anywhere on this paragraph. Then click on the new note. As you can see, note sign has appeared on this paragraph. To delete a note, click on this note sign and press the delete key. Or you can delete it from this panel. When you click on previous note, the text cursor will jump towards the last note. When you click on next note, the text cursor will jump towards the latest note. This keeps going on endlessly. Now, I am going to select the small portion of this line. And then go to panel and choose Convert to Note. So, whatever was written over here is now present in the notes. When you click on the note on this area, Note will display the text that was chosen as the note. Now, we can revert this by going to the panel menu and choose Convert to Text. This text is no more a note. Split note and expand collapse notes are grayed out for some reason. I couldn't figure it out, so I am leaving it for now. Remove notes from a story will delete the note from your selected note. Remove all notes will delete all the notes in this document. Go to Note Anchor will make you to bring your text cursor where the note sign is located. Finally, hide note info. If you don't want the note to display any message, hide the notes info. Otherwise, show the note info. You can do the same functions from this panel as well. I hope you found this tutorial helpful enough to learn everything about Note tool in Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javadsumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Sumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Sumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.